Keeping you healthy, brought to you by OrthoCarolina.
Ice packs or heating pads are among the most commonly used treatments after an injury. So which one is the right one to use, ice or heat? Hi, I'm Carole for Keeping You Healthy, and today we're with OrthoCarolina joint specialist, Dr. Bryan Jennings. Dr. Jennings, a lot of us don't know, so what is inflammation?
Thanks for having me, Carole. Inflammation is the body's complex response to an injury. It involves immune cells, it involves blood vessels, and it's how the body notifies the damaged tissue has been injured and what it does to try to repair it and make it better. With regards to heat and icing, I try to keep it simple. If it's an acute injury, I think ice is best. If it's a chronic injury that you're trying to get moving again, oftentimes heat works better in a situation like that. Think of it as blood flow. If something is irritated, you want to send the blood flow away. If something is sore and aggravated, bringing blood flow to the area often makes it better. I think the simplest thing to do is try the simple methods first. Rest, ice, compression, anti-inflammatory medicines. See if it bruises. See if you start to lose motion. See if the pain doesn't resolve over a couple hours. If those things persist, it's best to give us a call.
We'd like to thank Dr. Jennings and OrthoCarolina for these helpful tips to keeping you healthy. For more information, log on to orthocarolina.com or abc45.com.